Hmm. Let's see here. What do we have? We have some volatility in the Bitcoin markets, do we? Hmm. Let's show how we look. I am not a crook. Oh my god, that's hilarious. What's up, everybody? Everybody that's not here. I'm talking to anybody that might potentially show up or watch this video at some point in time in the future. Indeed, I am. I am talking to you, good viewer, good person, guy, girl, lady, whatever, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mr. Money Matrix, and I like to do technical analysis. Some of my favorite coins are, let's have a look. Bitcoin, imagine that. Next on the list, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, Tezos, and Cosmos. That is my top list for today, and possibly this week or month. I trade in and out of altcoins with Bitcoin. I do not sell my Bitcoin for US dollars or any other type of fiat currency. Fiat currency sucks. If you hadn't realized that already, you must be new to the cryptocurrency space. Let's see here. Let's adjust my fucking face. Fix your face! Anyway, right now we're currently looking at XRP on the 1 minute chart. Doing some little swing trading for today. I made some previous charts on tradingview.com. Let's have a look. Wow, yes. XLM, XRP. Let's pull up the XRP chart. Hello, great mask. Well, thank you, Miss LV. This is one of my favorites. I should have went with this one first, but I went with the old Trump, I guess, because I thought it was hilarious. And well, here we are today. Richard Nixon. How do you pronounce his name? Nixon? Yes, Richard Nixon. I am not a crook. So what are you holding today, Miss MLV? Miss MLV? Yes, that's right. I got my computer screen far away trying to read the chat. I saw it late last night. Either. Right. Misty, okay, thank you, Misty. So what kind of, Misty, what coins are you holding today? What's some of your crypto coins you got? I'll take a look at it on the chart. This is XRP right now we're currently looking at. Hey, that's okay. That was like really just a test stream just to see how goofy this mask looked. I was really tired. I cut the stream off real early. Most of my long streams will be in the daytime about around here. Ooh, nice. XRP, XLM, VeChain, and I do not know what that other one is. Unfortunately, VeChain is not available to me on Bittrex. A lot of people have been talking about it, and I cannot trade it. It really sucks, man. Awesome. Let's see. Yeah, I cannot trade VeChain on Bittrex. Really sucks. But XRP, I did a chart for XRP, XLM, and I want to take a look at VeChain because I really haven't looked at that yet. So let's have a look at that. VeChain. Why is VeChain? What the heck is right here? Huh. VET, BTC. But I cannot find it on my chart. Okay, it's on the BTC, VET. It must be not available in my state or something, man. What the heck is going on with that? Because clearly I got it on the Bittrex market right here. Right here, Bittrex. That's what I trade on, Bittrex. And that's about the only one that I trust. I'm here in the United States, and I used to use Binance, but they kicked us off of that here recently. Waiting on the load and screen. Oh my goodness, look at this chart. Man, that's insane. Okay. Let's quick look. Now, when I pull up a chart, it's always Bitcoin charts. That's what I trade in, Bitcoin, in and out of Bitcoin. Pennsylvania weird. And the PA, that's all the way up there. Yeah, I'm in Louisiana, and I don't know. There might be some kind of regulation. I don't know. Like Louisiana has like really old laws. Like I can't even trade direct, like right here. This is straight deposit on ramp for USD markets. I cannot use these markets at all. So I had to use Coinbase, buy a crypto coin, send it to Bittrex. Then if I want to transfer to US dollar, I have to use the tether markets. It really sucks. It is what it is though. With this V chain, wow. That's something. I'm not sure when you got in at, but from the bottom right here where it crossed over, holy crap, it is up 358%. Jeez. Jeez. Man, that's some money right there. Good gosh. Man, that sucks. It's really depressing that I can't trade that. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, we're getting close. Right now, this is the Bitcoin chart right here. So, yeah, they got some good projects. Got in roughly at 7 cents. Wow. Let's see. I wonder what the USD chart is. Let me take a look real quick. I guess Binance. Let's go Binance. Let's see where 7 cents was. Oh my, you got under a penny? Okay, okay, so it's not even, okay, alright. You chain tethers? Wow, nice. You got in good then. You got in under a penny? Good gosh. You're so lucky. Did you just buy in just because somebody told you, or did you look at the chart and just, just the projects and just bought? Did you got in like a really extremely good price? Let's see. Where did you get in at? 7. Let's call it right there. YouTube projects like a month ago? Okay. Yeah, I do a lot of research on YouTube, CoinMarketCap, stuff like that, just to get an idea of what I'm dealing with. Sometimes I use Twitter, follow those accounts of the company. $202%. Wow. Yes, it's very good to see what projects they're trying to partner up with, and it gives you a good insight into fundamentals of the project. And that's something I look at. I look at the fundamentals, which is the projects, the partnerships. Then I look at the technical analysis. Usually the technical analysis will reflect the fundamentals, but it might be slightly delayed. Or if somebody gets inside information, they'll front run the announcements. But yeah, where you got in at, to the top, where it topped off at, is around 200%. And right now, I would just hold this right here. I advise anybody who doesn't trade on a regular basis, at least have 1 or 2 years of trading experience, to just hold and wait for Bitcoin to make an all-time high. And when Bitcoin makes an all-time high, which we're looking for around 30,000, I'm looking for 33,000 all-time high here soon within this year. After that, you will see a lot of altcoins shoot up astronomically. That is when you would, that's what I plan to cash out for short term and look for a buyback opportunity. You know, when I got into crypto in 2017, I bought a bunch of coins and they shot up like 1,000%. I'm like, paddle to the moon, baby. And I never sold. And I just watched my profits just trickle down. And I should have sold then and bought back in. If had I did that, I would have turned like I had XLM. I had 1,000 XLM. Had I sold close to the top and bought back in close to the bottom, I could have had 100,000 XLM. Yeah, life lessons. It's okay though because there's plenty of time to make that up. And you know if you're not a trader, just hodl, man. Wait for the all time high of Bitcoin and the all time high of your altcoin, and it's better that way. How would I know? Because I would wait for. It is a tough call. But when you have, okay, how would I know? Is like, where is a good chart to look at? Well, I use moving averages. I use moving averages to determine a downtrend. And swing trading periodically is not bad, especially when you're up 1,000%. 1,000% is a good time to take profit. It really is. With this right here, with considering all the projects they got and announcements they made, and the technical analysis of this chart right here, I see a continuation right here. This is just a bull flag. This is going to go. My next target would be. Ooh, that's tough right there. That's tough. Right there. Copy. Clone. Push here. Right there. That's going to be my next target right there, which is close to the previous high. And, you know, like, the Bitcoin hitting 33,000 or 30,000 and it starts dropping, that's where I would look to get ready to cash out, short-term cash out of my altcoins, especially when they're making 1,000% from my entry point, and just look for a cheaper buyback in price, you know, and just, man, you follow me, you'll have a very good idea when to sell and when to buy back. I cannot tell you when to do that, but just follow my channel. You'll see what happens. And a lot of other people are doing the similar stuff as well. Let's see. That looks like a good spot to buy in. Let's see. Right there. Yeah, that's right there at support. That would make a good bull flag right here. This is a straight bull flag. I expect this coin right here, VeChain, to consolidate a little bit more further out. These are moving averages. This is a 50-day moving average, the white. The yellow's a 21, and the red, I believe, is a 200. And I use these moving averages and this RSI chart. When the RSI line goes above this purple border, it's in the oversold territory, so it's got to come back down and retest. And you want to see higher lows even on this. See, I don't expect this RSI to not come below this right here. To continue a bull pattern, I would not want to see this RSI go much further below this. I would expect it to touch it, maybe go just a tad bit below, and come back up. But definitely, we're in a bull market, so just hold on to your coins until people start calling for the top of Bitcoin. Yeah, just right now, just hodl, and you'll be fine. I am not selling. I trade my coins just to stack mine up more. But as for a long term sell, nowhere close to it. We're just getting started. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay, that's V chain. There we go. Let's take a look at XRP, XLM. Yeah, it's one of my favorite coins to trade is XLM and XRP, especially they start getting some volatility. And right now, Bitcoin, oh my goodness. Oh yes, Bitcoin is showing some volatility today. That is very good. Mm-hmm. So hopefully, I just recently, within the last hour, I sold my altcoins for Bitcoin when it was under 11,000. I think it was around 11,200. So I got back into Bitcoin to ride that little bit of volatility pump, and hopefully I can buy some altcoins for cheaper prices. That's just something I do. It's very risky doing this right here. You stand a chance. I hate it when I have to buy back in when it's not below the price I sold at. I lose the amount of coins I had originally before I sold, but usually I make up for it. But it's very risky, and it requires a lot of time to pay attention to it. So, like I say, I suggest my opinion is for somebody who doesn't trade regularly, just hold until you see a massive all-time high. Then it would be safe to sell some, and it never hurts to hold some back. Yeah, it slightly is. It does feel like a burn when you have to buy back in your coin and you have less than what you originally had. You're like, man, I should have just held on to what I had. And normally that's the case, especially when you're not even close to an all-time high. Like V Chain, what was the all-time high of V Chain? I don't know. We use this as an Stellar Lumen's all-time high in 2017 was like 98 cents a dollar. And I would not sell it. Like, say for instance, my main goal is to hold Stellar Lumens and XLM. I mean XLM and XRP. So I don't want to diversify too much. Hold one or two coins is fine. When they get close to the all-time high, I would start paying attention to them, like the previous all-time high. But if they surpass that, then I'll just be patient and watch what Bitcoin does, and that's it's all about Bitcoin, man. It really is. It's so weird how things work. I want to go back to VeChain. I want to look at that again. I haven't really had much time to look into VeChain. KuCoin, Bitcoin, Bitrace. Wow, look at this. Even the tether market is on VeChain. But here I don't have VeChain. Watch this. Where the fuck is it? Okay, I'm gonna look through every one of these real quick. Nothing. I got Verge. What the fuck? There is literally no VeChain for my Bittrex account. It's got to be something with state regulations. I don't get it. That's a new chart. I want to see what the all-time high is. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's all good. It's a lesson. But the thing is, like, do you want to hold your coins forever, or would you like to cash it out and have some profits and pay some bills off? Like, that's my goal. I don't want to hold my coins forever. I do want to take some profit, pay off my student loans. I got like $70,000 in student loans, man. It's fucking ridiculous. And I would like, there will be some that I hold like forever and just give to my kids when they get old enough and responsible. Like, I don't know when that would be, because, God, I wasn't responsible till I was older. V-Chain. V-Chain. There we go. What is that? Yes, cashing out above anything, the initial investment is straight profit. But with something like VeChain or these other currency coins, there's so much potential for upside. So just being a little bit patient for that to happen is very important. The hell is wrong with my internet? That's right there. Ah. Alright, with CoinMarketCap, you can come down here and see all-time high. All-time high was... Are you serious? The all-time high for VeChain was $50? Is that, am I seeing this correct? $50? Let's see. Let's see what you said. Okay. Misty says, if I invested 1,000 and I was up over 1,250%, I'd cash out 250. Then I'd try to buy in again. Okay. You get the right mindset of it. You don't want to, when you cash out, you don't want to cash out your whole thing. I do that sometimes. Like, I go in a lot. And, sometimes it's very risky. Well, hello there, Tani. She said, Tani says that's what I do. Gotta get them dollars. But look at this right here. This is like, the all-time high of VeChain was... Oh, okay, wait. All-time high was 2 cents. Okay. I swear to God, I thought it said 50 cents. I meant $50. I'm like, what? That's insane. Okay, the all-time high was 2 cents for VeChain. So we passed that right there. Then you're in the territory of looking for it, and it's already approaching 2 cents. They could easily double that. And this right here is like a bull flag forming right here. You get your pole up, flag out, consolidate and shoot up. Yeah, it's going to go above 2 cents again. Welcome to the stream, Miss Tani. Hello. Let's take a look at... I'm going to look at Stellar Lumens. See, right earlier, about an hour ago, I sold my Stellar Lumens, and we're dropping a little bit below the price that I sold at, which is good for me. I do not like the chart on this. Let's get out of here. I don't know what's going on with Ethereum Classic. It's been offline for a while now. I need to check that out. Yeah. Man, that Trump mask is something else, man. That's like my favorite. It's so goofy looking. But like so many people hate on Trump, I'm like, man, I'm gonna scare people away from the stream cause like they hate Trump. You know, like anything related to it, they're like, no, Trump is bad. I'm like, okay, whatever. Man, that Trump mask is something else. I'll tell you what, it's fucking hilarious. Let's see. Go back to the Bitcoin market. Man, XRP, I would expect XRP to at least hit 33 cents, possibly today. It's only 2 cents away. Let's see. I want to take a look at stellar lumens. Man, the volume is still dropping on that though. XRP volume is dropping. Doesn't look good for the altcoins at the moment compared to Bitcoin. Now, even when Bitcoin is going up, like when Bitcoin goes up in USD value, some of the altcoins and Bitcoin pairings will drop, but slowly will increase in US dollar value. So it's no big deal. But see, I like to trade in and out of Bitcoin, so that's what I look for. Nice, nice. So yeah, if I was to buy back into here, buy back into Stellar Lumens, I would have more coins than I originally sold an hour ago. But where would be my target to buy back in at? Let's see, let's go to 4-hour chart. Oh, hitting resistance right there. Nice, okay. And basically, you know, I learned how to trade. The first thing I learned how to trade is looking for trend lines of support and resistance. And see here how I drew this support line. I came across previous support, which broke, resistance, support, broke, resistance, support. Now this right here is support again. It's kind of simple if you really think about it. It's not hard to find trend lines, but some of the other indicators are kind of crazy, you know, to work with the Fibonacci's and stuff like that. So my buyback in would be right back down here. Man, woo! If I can get the price to come back down here and catch it around here, and it finds support and my buyback in, I would probably gain like, I don't even want to say how many coins I would get because it would be a lot. If I said how many I could get, somebody could figure out how much my count is right now. Oh god. But yeah, man, everything looks great right now. This is a bull market, man. It's amazing right now. I've been in cryptocurrency since the beginning of the end of 2017, right as the bull market took off, and I got to experience watching Bitcoin go from 7,000 all the way to $20,000, and it's quite the experience. And watching how Bitcoin has been acting the last month, we're on a bull market, and 30-something thousand dollars would not surprise me at all. It would be mind blowing for people who are just getting into the scene and witnessing this. It's truly amazing. Wow. But yeah, the life of a person trading cryptocurrency. It's not all that great sometimes, I guess, but hey, sure is fun to talk about some money. Let's see. Yeah, last night I bought some Tezos. I bought some Cosmos. I don't even see it on this chart. And some Stellar Lumens, and traded that and got a little bit going. Hey, what's up there, name? How you doing, sir? Good morning. Welcome to the fucking stream. Should I even call you by your real name? I know you in real life. So I don't know, man. It's up to you. What do you think? I keep catching myself like calling you, like almost calling you by your real name. Hey man, you wanna play some Call of Duty later tonight? Fuck, or late in a little bit. I ain't gonna stream for very much longer. What time is 11:30? Yeah, I might hop on the Xbox here in a little bit. Probably stream on that. Get out this fucking Nixon mask. I am not a crook. Hey man, I wish I could get a George Washington mask. Oh shit, man. I would love to have a George Washington mask. I really would. I might have to get one custom made. There's no one selling it. I would literally have to get one custom made. I think that'd be probably the best bet. Like really creepy looking, or that like a Abraham Lincoln, and get the big top hat. That would be so dope, man. Like a hat like this tall. Oh man. Ben Franklin, definitely, man. Ben Franklin is the G. He's like the OG of them all. Like literally the first fucking president. You can't get no more OG than that. Holy shit, man. That'd be fucking hilarious, man. I wish my state was legalized recreational, man. I'd be like big chiefing with a Ben Franklin mask. That'd be awesome. I said, yeah, yeah. My state's not recreational, so I'm not as fortunate as places like Colorado. Oh, wait, yeah. The Tommy Chong mask? Yeah. Dude, that'd be epic. Is there even a Tommy Chong mask? I didn't even look for that. The only thing is, I can't smoke in my house anyway, so there goes that idea. uh, that'd be so like if I had my own office, that would be amazing. Miss Tawny says Amazon. I'll have to check that out. I wonder what do they do. What if Amazon does have a Tommy Chong. The Tommy Chong. Tommy Chong. Tommy Chong mask. It's a paper one. Yeah, I see some paper mask. Oh my god, just looking through the Cheech and Chong stuff, man. Some hilarious like Halloween costume type stuff. I don't think nobody would really. I mean, I can only imagine people like not taking me serious with this mask on, like dressing like Tommy Chong or Cheech. Yeah, that'd be fucking hilarious, man. That's what it's about. I make good charts. I don't give a fuck what I look like. Oh, let's see. Stellar Lumens is dropping in Bitcoin price. Okay, XRP is up to 31 cents. Ethereum is $393. Cardano, $13. Oh my goodness, look at you, Cardano. Link topped out at $8.66. Tezos is doing really good. What are you doing over here, Tezos? Where'd it go? Chainlink, Lumens. I think it dropped. I think it dropped below. Yeah, there's Tezos right there. Yeah, I got out good. I got out when it was right around 27,000 satoshis. Thank you, Misty, for stopping by. You have a great day too. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh my god, an Elvis mask. Look at an Elvis mask. Oh my god. Elvis. They have got to have an Elvis. Like, whenever you like Google a mask, you get all these like fucking coronavirus masks and shit, man. I don't want this shit. Later, Misty. Let's see. Tezos. Drop it down. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Yeah, Bitcoin going up like this right here. I'm gonna have a look at Bitcoin. Let's see, we should have broken out. So, the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. I don't know. We'll see what it does. It's still got to go back above 12,000 before I really become bullish again. Right now, I still consider this to be a consolidation zone. Let's see, where's it at? Here we go. Yeah, consolidate. My internet's running slow. Really slow. There we go. Go ahead and clone that. Wow, look at that. That was like perfect. Well, later then, Miss Tawny. You have a good day. And you tell your husband I said hi. Yeah, I'll probably get off of here soon too. It is 11:40, almost lunchtime. Probably hop over here and take a lunch break. Yeah, I think so, man. I think it is going to drop a little bit, but we got support right in here, man. We got these moving averages coming up. If it breaks below this right here and closes on a 4 hour chart, I would expect it to retest $10,171. Yeah. Easily. You can easily retest this right here again. Actually, I wouldn't mind if it dropped or not. I would just I would like have a good little stop loss, or just be on the sell trigger if it starts dropping again, and try to buy back in lower, make some money. But it really looks good so far. Really would like to see this consolidate here. If this consolidate without dropping, if it can consolidate right here to about August the 20th, if it can stay in this zone right here until August the 20th, altcoins are like going to pump like massively. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart to get a better idea of what's really happening with Bitcoin. Because usually when like those W's oh my goodness. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's see, Bitcoin dominance. Look at this shit. See this right here? When Bitcoin starts dropping in price, I expect Bitcoin dominance to go up. And currently we are still going down very slowly. And since Bitcoin broke out and hit $12,000, Bitcoin dominance is still continuously going down. And it's finding some major resistance right here. This is the weekly chart. And here I've highlighted the liquidity zone. I'm really expecting Bitcoin to come down to about 55%. If Bitcoin comes down here and starts consolidating, Bitcoin altcoins are like going to shoot up massively. So I'm kind of keeping an eye on this right here. This chart is extremely important. When you're trading altcoins, extremely important. Looking at this right here, we are underneath the 50-day and the 21-day moving average, and still having down pressure from the 200 weekly. This is a weekly chart, so it'll be the 50 weekly, the 21 weekly, and the 200 weekly. RSI, it still has more room to go down. It still has plenty more room to go. Let's see, where would I look for an entry back into Bitcoin long term? Would be right here. Once the RSI touches here and tests, we'll look for that. If you also look at the chart pattern, we have a left shoulder, head, come back down. We would form the right shoulder and hopefully bounce off of this and go back up and test up into the 80% range. This right here would happen if Bitcoin was to reach $33,000, which I'm still expecting. I am still expecting $33,000 for a Bitcoin. Considering the fundamentals of the global economy, this is very likely. It could even go higher than that, man. It really could. But I would call it right there. 81%. You got the left shoulder right here. Head. Come back down. Form the right shoulder. Consolidate. And shoot back up. To make it even higher. And hit around 80%. That's when you would see right here. If Bitcoin was to test up in the 80% area, that's where you would see the massive bull run. And I've been looking for evidence that suggests that we had previously had such an event. And I find it in stellar lumens. It's very interesting looking at this chart in stellar lumens on the Bitcoin market. And I think this is what we're about to happen. If Bitcoin can hold support and consolidate above 10,500 and 12,000, between 12,000 and 10,500, I think we will have a nice mini altcoin run. And I find evidence of this right here in Stellar Lumens chart. This was in August. Let's see, yeah, is that right? August? May 2017, Stellar Lumens took off exponentially with a parabolic straight run up in 1 week's time, and slowly came back down and bled into Bitcoin, feeding Bitcoin to make that parabolic run up to $7,000 all the way up to $20,000. And as December the 19th, I believe Bitcoin topped out, and after that, that's when Stellar Lumens took off. November 17th. Yeah. Right in the month of December, Bitcoin took that all-time high. Then once it topped off, it bled into the altcoin market. And that's where you got to run. But I'm looking for something like this to happen within the next week. We could see a run up of Bitcoin up to the $13,000 range. Right now, it's just all of the Bitcoin, man. You know, this is all speculative ideas. I'm not sure what's exactly going to happen, but I'll try to prepare for any case. You know, there's only two different scenarios. Well, actually, you know, three scenarios. It can consolidate, go sideways, up or down. I don't care if it goes consolidates or up and down. Up, that's fine with me. Yeah, that's what it looks. That's what it looks like right now. But the whole Bitcoin dominance charts, man, it's really throwing me off as of what's happening. Let's see if I can get a trend line on this. Right there. Let's see what happens this week. Today's Monday, so we got a lot more to go. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Oh, goodness. And RSI, look at the RSI. It's coming to this border right here, but we still have more room to go compared to previous lows. It could come all the way down to here. And if that's the case, that will definitely put us in a little mini altcoin market run. And we will have other coins, other major coins doing little mini alt runs. That would be awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to take a break for today. Take a break for lunchtime. Give me something to eat. And I will be back later if anything changes. I might hop on, do a little short live stream. Actually, I'll probably make a couple different videos of different altcoins, very short videos, and just throw them out there for everyone. I don't really want to push the whole live stream thing after I've done covered what I got to cover. But I'll make some independent videos for some charts of coins that I find very interesting and have potential for major bull market runs. Thank you for everyone who joined in on this chat and live stream. Y'all are very awesome. Thank you very much. And may y'all have a good day, man. And y'all hit me up on the Xbox, man. We're about to go smash. Later.